Hi friends, in previous video we learned about chain surveying, purpose of chain surveying, principle of chain surveying, terms used in the chain surveying. And today's video we are going to learn about equipments used in the chain surveying. Violet, welcome to my channel. Equipments used in the chain surveying are metric chain, arrows, metallic tape, ranging rod, offset rod, crossed off, plumb bob, wooden peg, mallet, and field book. Chain. Chain are provided of galvanized mild steel wire, straighten links, bend into rings at the end, and join each other with three small circles or oval wire rings. Chain is divided into metric chain, gunter's chain or surveyor chain, engineer's chain, revenue chain, steel bends or band chain. Metric chain are available in length of 5, 10, 20, and 30 meters. Among them, 20 meters and 30 meters are commonly used. 20-meter chain is divided into 100 links and 30 meters chain is divided into 150 links. Length of each link is zero point 0.2 meters. The brass tails are fixed at every 5 meters length and small brass links are provided at every meter length. The least count of metric chain is zero point 0.2 meters or 20 centimeters. Gunter's chain or surveyor's chain. This chain is 66 feet long and having 100 links. So each is of 0.66 feet. It is very useful for measuring the distance in miles and furlong. It is also useful for measuring the areas in acres. 1 Gunter's chain equals to 22 yards. 10 Gunter's chain equals to 1 furlong. 80 Gunter's chain is equals to 1 mile. 1 square Gunter's chain is equals to 484 square yards. 10 square Gunter's chain is equals to 1 acre. Engineer's chain. Engineer's chain is 100 feet long and divided into 100 links. So, length of each link is of 1 foot. Revenue chain. This chain is 33 feet long and divided into 100 links. Length of each link bent 2 feet 0.75 inches. It commonly used for measuring field in cadastral survey and also used by the revenue department for measuring the land. Steel bands. It consists of a ribbon of steel of width 16 mm and length 20 or 30 meters. It has brace handle at both ends. Arrows. Arrows are made of good quality and hardened steel wire of diameter 4 mm. The overall length of the arrow may be 400 mm. One end of arrow bent into the ring of 50 mm dia and other end is made sharp point. Arrows are used for counting the number of chain completed. Tapes. Tapes are used to make more accurate measurements. Tapes are classified into cloth or linen tape, metallic tape, steel tape, inverse tape. Ranging rod. Ranging rods are circular or octagonal in cross section of 30 mm dia having length of 2 or 3 meters. Having they may be made either wood or steel tube, having sharp iron shoe at the bottom. The rod is divided into equal parts of 20 centimeters each and division are painted black, red and white in successfully. The painting is done to make ranging rod are visible for a long distance about 200 meters. Offset rod. An offset rod is similar to the ranging rod and having a length of 3 meters marked along the lengthwise in meters, decimeters, and centimeters. Crossed off or optical square. Crossed off it is simple instrument used for setting right angles. It consists of either frame or box with two pairs of vertical slides and it mounted on iron pole shoe were fixed into the ground. Open crossed off. It consists of four metal arms at right angle to each other having eye vein at two adjacent sides and object vein at each other. Eye vein is provided with a pinhole or a narrow slit. In object vein, a slit is provided with a horsehair at the middle. The line joins the eye hole and horsehair of one arm will be perpendicular to eye hole and horsehair of the other arm. French crosstoff. It consists of a hollow octagonal box, vertical sighting slit are cut in the middle of each face such that the line between the center of opposite slit make angle 45 degrees with each other. By using crossoff, it is possible to set out angle of either 90 or 45 degrees. It is known as the octagonal crossoff. Wooden crossoff. It consists of a square wooden block mounted on iron pole having a sharp edge at the bottom. The work of the crossoff is similar to open crossoff. Optical square. An optical square can also be used for settling out right angle triangle. It consists of a small circle metal box of diameter 50 mm and depth 12.5 mm. Plumb bob. While chaining along slope ground by the method of stepping, a plumb bob is required to transfer the point onto the ground. It is used to check the vertical or ranging rod and to transfer point from a line range or optical square. It is also used for centering of the crossed off instruments such as compass, theodolite, tachometric and plane table. It made of iron or brass. Wooden pegs. The wooden pegs are used to mark the position of the survey stations. They made up of hard timber. They are made 2 to 4 centimeters long. They are driven into the ground with the help of wooden hammer known as mallet and keep projected about 5 centimeters above the surface of the ground. Mallet, a wooden hammer generally used to carpenter work, is used for driving pegs into the ground. It is made up of hard wood 8 to 10 centimeters in dia. Field book. The field book in which the survey work is recorded by measurements and sketches is called as a survey field book. It is a rectangular book of size 250 mm into 120 mm and it's open lengthwise. Thank you for watching my video. We meet with a new topic in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Take care.